Next topic is thermodynamics variables and equation of state. Thermodynamics variables and equation of state. So let us understand now the concept of thermodynamics variable. See, any thermodynamic system will be described or defined or specified by using some parameters. There are some macroscopic and microscopic parameters which will define what kind of that particular system is, what kind of particular system is. See, while studying about some gas laws, we have come across a concept called isochoric process, isobaric process, and isothermal process. So all this process are nothing else but these are some types of process which are related to the thermodynamics system. So now thermodynamic system is nothing else but what is meant by thermodynamic system? The thermodynamic system is a system which is confined to some area in the entire universe. So now that particular thermodynamic system can be specified or can be described or can be defined with respect to some parameters, some microscopic or macroscopic parameters such as pressure, volume, temperature, internal energy, number of moles. All these are the different kinds of parameters. If you can define any kind of thermodynamic system with respect to these parameters, we call these parameters as in thermodynamics variables. The parameters which define or which specify or which describe a particular thermodynamic system is called as in thermodynamics variables. So thermodynamic variables are what? The parameters which define or describe the thermodynamic system is called thermodynamic variables. Thermodynamic variables. So what are these thermodynamic variables here? The variables are like pressure, volume, temperature, number of moles, and internal energy. So now the thermodynamic variables are nothing else but these are the parameters which will be defining what kind of system is that particular thermodynamic system. So whenever a thermodynamic parameter or a variable which defines the thermodynamic system, we call those kind of parameters as in thermodynamic variables. So now let us see the relationship between these thermodynamic variables. The relationship between thermodynamic variables is PV equal to nRT. PV equal to nRT. We have studied this particular concept of PV equal to nRT while studying the concept of what is meant by ideal gas equation. What is meant by ideal gas equation? During that particular time we have studied PV equal to nRT. What is P here? P is the pressure, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, R is what? R is the universal gas constant and T is the temperature. Can anyone tell me what is the value of R? R is a universal gas constant. What is the value of R? 8.31. 8.31, right? So now, okay, so that is a universal gas constant. If you can make a relationship between thermodynamic variables, we call that related part as an equation of state. So now this is called as this equation is called as an equation of states. Equation of states. If my number of moles equal to 1, if number of moles equal to 1, my equation of state becomes PV equal to RT. PV equal to RT. So this is regarding what is meant by thermodynamic variables and what is meant by equation of state. I hope you might have understood regarding this equation of state. When you can make a relationship between the thermodynamic variables, we call it as an equation of state. If number of moles is equal to 1, then the equation of state becomes PV equal to RT.